In this video, we talk about configuring and verifying switch interfaces, questions and answers part 2. The question read: you are in the process of configuring speed, duplex and description for multiple interfaces from G02 to G010. After you hit enter in the above command, you will be able to. So you may notice that we are in the privilege mode. In order to configure the interface range, we have to be in the global configuration mode. Therefore, when you hit enter, you will get an error. So the answer for this question is D. You can find the detailed explanation for this question in the video. Switch interface configurations. The question read: you want to disable auto negotiation on the interface G01 of Cisco switch DSW1 and get it to work with the highest performance possible. What should you do? So in order to disable the interface, you have to manually set the speed and duplex modes. In order to get it to work with the highest performance, you have to set the interface with the speed of 100 megabit per second, because this interface connects to the interface F01 and the highest speed is 100 megabit per second. And you have to set it to full duplex mode. Therefore, the answer for this question is C. You can find the detailed explanation for this question in the video. Switch interface behaviors. The question read: what are the settings on the interface G03? You may notice the status of the interface G03 is connected, and the speed has a A in front of 1000, which means the speed set to auto and it negotiates with the other partner and finally set its speed to 1000 megabit per second. However, the duplex has a full without A in front of it, which means the duplex has the manual setting to full duplex mode. So the answer for this question is A. You can find the detailed explanation for this question in the video. Switch interface configuration. The question read: the screenshot is the output of the show interface G03. What might be an issue with the interface G03? From the output, we see that there are 4 LED collisions. The LED collision counter increase usually means duplex mismatch. Therefore, the answer for this question is D. You can find the detailed explanation for this question in the video. Switch interface troubleshooting. The question read: both Cisco switches support full and half duplex. What will be the speed and duplex for the interface F01 of ASW1 switch and G01 of DSW1 switch? We notice that the interface F01 of the ASW1 switch connects to the interface G01 of DSW1 switch, and both interfaces have auto settings, so they will choose the best speed, and in this case it is 100 megabit per second and full duplex mode. Therefore, the answer for this question is D. You can find the detailed explanation for this question in the video. Switch interface behaviors. The question read: you open a troubleshoot ticket and saw the note from a previous network engineer that the duplex settings was not correct on the interface G01 and it must be reverted to the default settings. What is the fastest way to do that? So in order to revert the duplex settings of an interface to the default settings, the fastest way to do that is to go to the interface configuration mode of that interface and issue the no duplex command. Therefore, the answer for this question is C. You can find the detailed explanation for this question in the video. Switch interface configuration. The question reads, what will be the chosen speed and duplex mode for the interface G01 of the DSW1 switch? We notice that the interface G01 of the DSW1 switch has auto settings, and in this case it is connected to a hub with the speed of 10 megabit per second and hub duplex mode. Because the interface has the auto settings, so it's seen the speed of the hub and set its speed to 10 megabit per second. And because the chosen speed is 10 megabit per second, so it set the duplex mode to hub duplex. Therefore, the answer for this question is C. You can find the detailed explanation for this question in the video. Switch interface behaviors.